Hi guys, so for today's math, you'll see that the title is called Mental Math, and you'll see that they have pictures with 10 frames. Now, that is not something that I prepared for you guys, so we're actually not going to use 10 frames today, but we are still going to do the lesson because what the lesson is trying to get you to do is figure some of these problems out without needing to use your 100 chart, without needing to use your 10 sticks and ones, without needing to draw a picture, without any of that stuff, to be able to do it in your head without using that stuff. So I'm going to show you how to do these problems using a 120 chart today, but I'm hoping that you will start to be able to do this without your 120 chart. Remember in school, I told you guys some of the things that I'm teaching you. These are like your training wheels. So you're using a 120 chart now because you need the help, but one day you'll be able to do this stuff without using the 120 chart. And so today we're gonna try that a little bit, okay? So today, the number that you are subtracting in every single problem is 10, okay? They want you guys to be like experts at subtracting 10. And so the way that that looks on your 100 chart is just, it's the number that's on top of the one that you're starting with. So for example, we're starting with 72 here. It says 72 minus 10 equals. So I'm gonna plant my finger on 72 and I'm gonna look at the number just above it, okay? And that number is 62. And we did a little bit of practice with this with adding, when we added tens. So we ended up with 62. Do you guys notice any little tricks? Okay. Your ones place, the number in your ones place, is always going to stay the same when you're subtracting 10, okay? Your ones place is not going to change. The number in your tens place is going to go down 1. So instead of 72, now we have 62. All right, so I want you to try to see in your head if you can think about what you think 56 minus 10, what you think that might be. If it's 56 minus 10, it would become, let's try it out. So I'm at 56. The number right above it is 46. Okay, so notice my ones place stayed the same. It's still a 6. But the number in the tens place decreased 1. Okay, so the 5 turned into a 4. So it went from 56 to 46. Let's try another. We're at 88. So 88 minus 10, I'm going to look at the number right above it. It's 78. Once again, the number in the ones place stayed the same. The number in the tens place just went down 1. So the 8 became a 7. So now it's 78. And the last one we're going to do together is 23 minus 10. So I'm going to go to 23. I'm going to go up 1. And it's 13. All right. And so once again, my tens place went down 1. So the 2 became a 1. And the 3 stayed the same. So hopefully by the end of your workbook pages today, you will be super confident and you will be able to subtract 10 from any number. And I hope you guys will think this is easy today. All right, so let's get your workbook pages up here. Okay, so on page 470, like I said before, they have some 10 frames here. Just ignore them for now. You guys can use your 120 charts the way that I taught you. But remember, start trying to use the tricks so that you don't need to use anything at all. I would love for you to not need your 120 chart, for you to not need to draw a picture, for you to not need any of this stuff when you are just subtracting 10, okay? So just ignore those pictures and do the problems. Same thing down here. Over here, you're gonna do those problems. And down here, these are some challenge problems. You can go ahead and give them a try as well. All right, guys, have fun. I'll see you later.